Good morning, everyone. Out here, Whiskeytown Falls Trail. About 1.7 miles out to the waterfall and then back. It's a pretty steep little hike. Glad you guys could join again today. I've got some other co-stars again today. My daughter's out here with me again, and her mother, and my niece, Mickey. I'm out here enjoying the trail with me. Just a nice little Father's Day weekend hike. Hope you guys enjoy. Say hi, Kaylin. I already hear some falls down here, sounding wonderful. Walking on the trail. Got these guys coming up in the rear. Gotta love the footbridges. Begins. Hey everybody, I want to take a quick time out. Talk about a great organization, Ma Deuce Deuce. We partnered up, polar field trips, Ma Deuce Deuce, blended prints on some shirts. I'm going to be spreading the word about this great nonprofit that supports veterans and veteran families and support veteran mental health. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Out here, Whiskeytown National Recreation Area. There really is beauty on every turn on this trail. Headed out to Whiskeytown Falls. We are going to about another 1.06 miles to get to the falls. A little steep in the trail in a few spots. Up here outside of Whiskeytown Lake, outside of the city of Redding in Northern California. Still on this little short walk. Pretty steep uphills on the way up here. The guests are struggling a little. My daughter wants to quit, but we got this. See you guys in the falls. We're almost there. Good footbridge. Coming up on the falls now. All its beauty was worth the steep hike. I'm gonna stop filming back here just to respect other people. get it in all its glory when I get a chance. Yeah. Put a sign in here in the trail register full of field trips. Enjoy the stunning view. Cool off a bit. Have a snack. See you guys in a few. Alright everybody, we're headed back down the hill. Spent a little while at the waterfall. Got these two back here pulling up the rear. Nice little walk. Just a walk in the woods. On our way back. Hope you're enjoying it. Bridge. Thank you, Whiskeytown Recreation Area. Nice leisurely stroll back down the hill. Shady. Hasn't been too bad. How you doing back there, Kaylin? Okay, yes. So far. Headed back. Still enjoying the nice water sounds. Been in the shade most of the time. You know, it's a warm day out. Hasn't been too bad and hot. Elevation gain and loss is quite strenuous, but enjoying it either way. Been a lot easier on the way back, downhill most of the way. Trying to get the little one to slow down, but not too bad. Gotta love these footbridges. Almost finished here. Short little hike, man. It's only about 1.7 out, 1.7 back. Call it 3.4, I guess. Great little hike. Coming back up to the trailhead now. Gonna take a side tour on the way back. Visit Crystal Creek Falls. It's only a half mile. So, we'll see you in a few. Right, second little hike, no pack. Another waterfall. Bathrooms trailhead back that way. Going out a nice little paved trail, less than a half mile out to another waterfall. Let's check it out.
We at the gate.
Busier trail, busier spot. Nice swim spot, everybody says. So, maybe not too much filming. Show you guys when we get to the bottom. Waterfalls, here we come. Waterfall number 2 of the day. Beautiful. All right, I don't know what they got back there, but I got a good cooling off. Dunked in the water. We got wet. Walking back to the car. All in all, a great day. Put in about 4.5 miles. 2 waterfalls in one day. Can't beat it. Till next time. Peace.